This is why your Toyota Corolla's USB port isn't working, and what you can do about it. Let's get your phone charging again. First, check if there's any dirt or debris in your USB port. A simple blast of compressed air or a toothpick can clear it out. Still not working? Try a different cable. Sometimes the problem is with the cord, not the car. If there's no power at all, check your car's fuse box. Your owner's manual will show you where to find the USB fuse. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating. Still having trouble? There could be a software glitch. Try turning your car off and on again, or even disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. Just be careful and check your manual first. If none of these steps work, your USB port might need professional repair. But most issues are simple. Fixing them takes just a little time and some basic tools. Now you know how to get your Toyota Corolla's USB port back in action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy car fixes.